This video goes over question 1 of the product and quotient rule assignment. Find f of x, and here we have a product of two functions, 2x to the fourth and x cubed minus 8. So when I use the product or quotient rule, I write down the rule every time. So I've got u times v, which are both functions of another variable, in this case x, and I want the derivative of the product of those two. So that will be vu plus uv. So the derivative goes on the second of the two functions each time. Then I make myself a table. U equals 2x to the fourth. U prime, the derivative of u is 8x cubed. V is x cubed minus 8. So v prime is 3x squared. I'm now going to follow the rule, and the way I think of it is cross multiplying. This way, then this way. So to cross multiply this way, I get f prime of x equals, now because this has subtraction in it, I'm going to put the 8x cubed in front. So 8x cubed times x cubed minus 8, then plus, because that's what the rule says. So that's going to be 3x squared times 2x to the fourth. Distributing in here, we get 8x to the sixth minus 64x cubed plus 6x to the sixth. So that's going to give me, collecting like terms, 14x to the sixth minus 64x cubed. So we'll go check that answer. 14x to the power of 6, then minus 64x cubed. Check answer. Now, could we have done that in the calculator? Absolutely. I'm going to start a new problem, doc for 1, and I want a calculator page this time. Shift minus to get a derivative. X is my variable. And 2x to the fourth, then times x to the third minus 8. And we don't get exactly the same thing. It's factored out here. So if we go to menu, algebra, expand, so we do get 14x to the 6 minus 64x cubed. Well, you may be asking yourself, well, if I can do it in the calculator, why do I need to do this by hand? Sometimes, depending on your professor or teacher, they may not let you use a calculator. So I really strongly recommend that you learn how to do both by hand and in the calculator. And that concludes this video.